Oliver is sick today. He feels very hot. Oliver has a high fever. We must be careful.
I am coughing a lot. My chest feels heavy.
It's okay, Oliver. I'm here.
We are going to the hospital now, kids.
Stay strong, Oliver. The hospital will help you. We're almost there. Hold on, my loves. You can do it, Oliver.
Thanks, Lily.
That's my brave boy. We're here. The hospital is so big and clean.
Hello, Lily. Welcome to the clinic.
Hi, thank you.
You're welcome. Here's a star sticker for you.
Wow, thank you. There are many nurses here. They are kind.
Hello. I am your doctor. Let's check you up. Listen to your heart. It is beating fast. Open your mouth. I see a sore throat.
I am wearing a hospital gown. It is soft. Get some rest, brother. You look like a cloud.
Thanks, Lily. I do feel a bit floaty. Sweet dreams!
I miss him. I want him to be healthy again.
Healthy food helps you fight the germs.
Okay, Mom, I'll put the apples in the basket.
That's my helper. Keep them nice and neat.
I will. It looks so good. I am a visitor today. Let's find room 101. Room 101! I found it!
You did it, Lily.
Let's go see Oliver. Surprise! I have a gift for you, brother. Lily, wow. High five. Here you go. It's a special present. Thank you, Lily. You're the best. Feel better soon.
For a small cut, use a Band-Aid.
Oh, okay.
There we go. All better.
Thank you, Dr. Sam.
Lily, look. These are bacteria.
What are these? They look like tiny monsters.
These are germs. They make you sick. Wear a mask to protect yourself and friends.
Okay, Dr. Sam.
Perfect! That is a stomach ache. Wash your hands. Washing your hands prevents germs that cause stomach aches.
Oh, I see.
That's right, Lily.
I don't want a toothache. I will brush my teeth.
Drink lots of water. Your body loves water.
Okay, Dr. Sam.
That's the spirit. Water helps you feel better.
I love water too.
Good. Everyone should drink more water.
Sleep is the best power-up for your brain.
Use hand sanitizer. Goodbye, germs. Strawberry flavor. The medicine helps me feel better. Thank you.
Use soap to kill germs. Scrub your palms.
Scrub the fingers. Scrub the nails clean.
Vegetables and fruits give you vitamins. See? They are like strong warriors protecting your body.
Wow, cool. They're so strong.
Exactly. Eat them to stay healthy. Take a deep breath, Oliver. Fresh air is good for your lungs.
I can feel it.
That's it. Very good.
Time for your shot, Oliver. I'm ready, Nurse Sarah. Is it a vaccine? It looks like a magic shield.
Exactly, Lily. It protects him.
You're so brave, Oliver.
No shot today, Oliver. This light shield will protect you.
Wow, a shield. So cool. Yeah, it's like magic.
The vaccine is your shield against viruses.
Exactly. Now you're safe.
Cover your mouth when you cough. Be kind. You are feeling better, Oliver. Yay! I feel better, Lily. Keep going. You're doing great. I can do it. Yay, Oliver. Teddy is healthy now. No more fever.
Really? That's great.
Yes, the smiley face is so green. You're all better, Teddy.
You're a great doctor, Lily.
I want orange juice.
Oh, you see the orange? Vitamin C is in the orange. I love it. Vitamin C is good. That's right. You're so smart. You are a great helper, Lily. Stay healthy.
Thank you. I love it. The day is over. Health is happiness. I am wearing my favorite shirt again. Let's go.
Goodbye, Oliver and Lily.
Goodbye, Dr. Sam. Thank you for the medicine.
You're very welcome. Take care now.
Bye, Dr. Sam. Bye-bye. The air is fresh. It feels great to be out.
It really is, sweetie. Yeah, I miss this.
I feel strong now. No more hospital beds.
Yay, you're super strong, Oliver.
That's right, my brave boy.
Look at the pretty trees. Meow! Mochi missed his best friend. Welcome home. Meow, meow. Mom, please wash the fruit. No germs allowed.
You're absolutely right, Lily. Let's make sure it's really clean. Is that better?
Yes, all clean and ready to eat.
Health is wealth. Let's stay fit together.
Yeah, let's do it.
Welcome, let's begin. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forward.
Washing hands is fun. Look at the bubbles. Wee, look, they're flying. So many pretty bubbles. Milk makes your bones strong, brother.
Thanks, Lily.
Mochi is healthy. No fever for you, kitty. Our masks are ready for school. Good job! Love the earth, love your body. Stay strong!
Look, a shooting star. I wish for health.
Rub your hands together until it's dry. Clean your hands after playing with pets. Shell sock! I did a great job today. A tidy room is a healthy room. I am proud.
You are my little sunshine, Lily.
Whee! Higher, Daddy! Yay! Again! This is my super juice, full of vitamins.
Flowers are beautiful. Nature is our medicine.
Wow, really? What about this one?
That's a rose. It's very pretty.
I love roses. Don't cry. I have a Band-Aid for you. Thank you, Lily. Did you learn how to stay safe today? I hope so. Health is wealth. Thank you for watching my story.
Breakfast is ready. Eat for energy, kids.
Ow, my tooth hurts.
Oh, sweetie, did you brush carefully?
I don't want a toothache. I will be careful.
Good girl, let me see.
Water is magic. Drink it every day. So yummy. Water is magic. Drink it every day. Stay healthy. Goodbye, friends. See you soon. If you love our stories, please like and subscribe. It helps Lily make more magic videos for you. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.